dancing green. And the Ateneo side as well. Doesn't matter whether they're sitting or standing. They are here inside the Mall of Asia Arena in Pasay City for this momentous event in history of the UAAP Women's Volleyball Tournament. I'm sure you have a lot of memories, and
not at the arena, but yes. Definitely not at the arena, but yes. And even Mozzie earlier was like, hindi ka ba naiiyak? Because you can see the, you know, the crowd is really supporting the sport, and it's like, wow.
We are all witnesses to this great day. And a great game. A great appetizer to the big second round meeting between Ateneo and LaSalle later on. Jen Reyes digs that one up. Perez sets it up to the middle. Manzan using her mind, and Coach Francis loves it. Coach Francis has been stressing the importance of using your head. Gamitin ang utak. He's been trying to instill that in the heart and in the minds of his players. And he just loved how Urdas played that last tip. Santiago. Urdas goes for the drop ball. Nearly gets the point to go.
Oh, Lastimosa sending that one out.
And again, Maru Banatikla, no signs, no sighting of USD's best scorer last year here in the fourth set, although she did play in the third set. Another service error for NUN.
And you know, later on, if they look at the statistics, they see with all the services that they threw away.
Well, all they have to look at is their game against Ateneo, their worst defeat of the season. A straight set loss. A game that only lasted 1 hour and 23 minutes, and they committed 36 unforced errors.
That's a lot. I mean, that's more than a set.
Kaya naman, sa kanilang susunod na laro, they only had 19 unforced errors, as we see this back row attack by Dindin Santiago.
Now, if you're if you're on UST side, the last thing that you want is for them to, for this game to extend to a 5-set match, because you know na yung 5th set na yan, may ano yan may risk yan a lot of risk because you only play up to 15.
And since you mentioned the possibility of this game going into a deciding 5th and final set, NU is 0-2. Actually, excuse me, 0-3 when the game has gone to a 5th set. They lost against Adamson in a 5-setter, against Ateneo in a 5-setter, and against LaSalle in a 5-setter.
Now we are having some disagreement here. Coach Francis Vicente not liking that call made by our officials. Take a look at that again. Well, I think an outside, there was a violation called. They thought that the ball touched the antenna, and in that replay seemed like it wasn't.
Dindin is saying, tumama, pero manipis lang. No?
Definitely not liking that call.
Now, despite not liking that call, the players can't let that get into their heads.
Definitely.
UST on top here in this fourth set, 12-10. They want to close things out. Perez sets it up for Kai. Nepomuceno really playing perhaps her best game in UAP season 75.
Well, her best game really needs to come out, knowing that they're down to their last few games. Also, a very crucial point here in this season if they want to make the cut
Yes.
to the top 4 teams.
And again, the reason why both these teams need a win as Ortiz capitalizes again on a running hit is because both their schedules are very tough. NU has Adamson and FEU up ahead. UST has FEU and Ateneo still on their radar. Perez had to go low to set that one up. Lastimosa was there for the dig. Oh, Caballejo gets denied. Couldn't blast it through that wall. Let's take a look at it one more time. Another neck-and-neck set, man.
I am not surprised.
Oh!
Never ever take your eyes off the ball. These are the sorry errors that you don't want to see, even if malayo pa tayo before we end this set. You know, as much points as you can. That's sayang eh.
That could be really costly. Nepomuceno flies in though. Nice combination play there. The best decoy is really Dindin Santiago.
You know, if you're a middle attacker, center spiker, sometimes it's really committing to a set. No? So even if hindi ka binigyan ng set ng setter mo, if you get the blockers on the other side to commit to you, then you've done your job.
And how can you not commit to a Dindin Santiago?
The threat.
You have to defend the net when Dindin is in the middle.
And literally, she is a big threat.
Yes.
With the height and, you know, the power that she has developed over time.
Here she is again. But
And then violation. to 14. UST hoping to close things out here in set number 4. NU hoping to get to a 5th set, but service error by Dindin Santiago. You can feel the frustration just by looking at the face of Coach Francis Vicente. Most especially there at the service line, we've seen a lot of those errors and he's not liking it.
What an atmosphere, what a crowd. Thank you so much for your unwavering support of volleyball here in our country. Thank you so much to everybody watching on Studio 23. What a great day, Ann.
Definitely a great day. Like what we said earlier, 2 big games, very big venue, and we have a big crowd as well joining us here at the arena. MOA Arena is huge, but you know, it's really packed with a lot of people.
Wow. How would you... Yeah, I've been saying that you've been a part of this sport for a long time. How do you rank today among the many memories you have being part of volleyball?